Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a initial review and test of the RFX portable compressor. It's the one from North Shore Off-Road. That's the local company to me where I live. So let's check it out, guys. We'll unbox it and see what it's all about, and then we're gonna test it on the trails. All right, guys, so this is the one I have been using. This is the Canadian Tire $50 pump. Now, this actually lasted a long time, but now it takes forever. It always took forever. It was never quick. It was $50 on sale. I didn't even know about airing down. It was a long time ago when I bought it, but now it is completely just poop in the bed. So we are gonna be moving on from this, the CT Special, and we just picked up this guy right here. So this is the new compressor. It was $230. Take a look around the box here. We got the compressor, obviously. We got a little carry bag down here. It tells you all the specs. If you guys want to see any of this, you can probably find it on their website and stuff, but the box is really nice. Up top here, we got a filter on this one, so that's nice. We can clean out the filter every now and then. Looks like some good heavy-duty battery clamps, pressure relief valve for safety, quick connector. There's just lots of stuff. Let's get it out of the box here. Nice packaging. Instruction manual, I'd keep that if I were you, unless you know what you're doing. Which I don't, so here we are. Got the instructions. There's a little diagram. Nice. Okay, let's unzip it. I like this bag. That's a really nice bag for this little kit. All right, take the hose out. Hose comes out first. Okay, nice hose. It's got the a reader on it there. Put to the side. Get the actual pump out. Okay. All right. Wow, this looks really good. So you got some other stuff. So if you want to inflate a ball, definitely good to have. We'll put that in the bag. A lot bigger than this one, little dinky one. This is actually going to go on my off-road Civic, so I'm going to keep that for that. But damn, this looks good. Look at that, eh? So the other day, I did use this pump. My buddy Jordan had one. He had it on his Ram. He has 35s. He did his whole truck in about 5 to 10 minutes. I did one tire in 5 to 10 minutes. And this one couldn't go past 40 PSI, whereas this one, he let me use it. Oh my gosh, it was so fast. And it goes to 50 PSI because I have 37s. So on the box, you can see it says 37-inch tires. So this is why I bought it. I got 37s. This was just so fast, it blew me away. I had to get it. Got our on button. Looks nice and stable. It's a pretty heavy-duty unit, to be honest. Let's check out the cables. Again, a lot more heavy-duty than the $50 option. This bag I'm really liking. You got tons of room for storage. Got a little pocket up front too. All right, here's the hose itself. You got a nice gauge. So she fits in this bag perfectly. You got even more room if you wanted to keep some like valve stems in here. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Put all my valve stem stuff in here. Everything to do with tires, throw it in here. Maybe some patch kits and stuff. That could be good. Also, I really like how they give you those other connectors, because then you can like pump up a sleeping mattress, a ball, whatever you're doing out in the woods from your truck. So yeah, guys, it packs up nicely. We're gonna throw it in the truck and we'll see you on the trails. So we're at the trail. We're airing down to 20 pounds from 50. So when we're gonna be leaving tomorrow, and when we leave tomorrow, we're gonna use the new compressor and see how quick they fill 30 pounds of air. Yeah, this tool is also really nice if you guys are looking for an air down tool. This is off Amazon. It's just a little deflator. All you gotta do is, it takes your stem right out. Just make sure you put it back. The very first time I used it, I didn't put it back, and it made my tire have 0 pounds of air, and it was just on rim before the trip started. So still a little tight. out of the camping for the night there, and we're gonna test out the new compressor. So just gonna hook it up, put your hose on, brand new. Okay, so we're on. So we are at 20 pounds, and we're going to send it up to 50. About 2 minutes in. That's not bad at all. So that's 50 on my front tire already, which is coming from that other one a lot faster.
How long was your other one usually?
I'd still be on this one for 10 minutes at least. It was terrible. We're gonna stretch to the back. Oh, this stretch is so much nicer too. That's number 3 already. By the time I would have almost done one. All right, last tire. Okay guys, so the whole thing, done all 4. I'm very happy with it. Pretty quick, to be honest. It's a lot of air you need in these tires. The fact it did it that quick, I'm impressed with. And coming from a $50 one, even makes it that much more impressive. So just make sure you let it cool down for a bit. I'm just gonna let it cool probably 5-10 minutes and then throw it in the truck. Final thoughts, guys. I am super happy with it. I think it's really good bang for your buck. They also go on sale a lot, so you can keep your eye out for that too. Probably like 30 bucks off or something. I've just been putting off getting a compressor for so long, and it's so annoying. You're going home, sometimes you need to be quick, right? And it would just take 30 to 40 minutes with this other pump. And I know it's not designed for 37s. I got it before I had 37s, but it just takes so long. All my buddies would be done, they'd be leaving already, and I'd be sitting there by myself on my first tire. And just to let you guys know, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by North Shore Off-Road. I do think they're a bunch of nice people in there. They're super nice, and they helped me out, and I think they're a good company locally to anybody in BC. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. I would recommend. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.